If the area of plates is A, then the force exerted by the charge of surface 1 on the induced charge on the surface 2. It's not asking force on the dielectric slab. Please get familiarized here. Okay, what is the induced charge? How do it will be? So this is the plate. Sigma minus sigma. So induced charge will be minus sigma plus sigma I. Now let's get into dielectric. This is slab. So I think directly we know formula, no? So what is sigma I? Sigma I should be equal to sigma into 1 by epsilon r. And what is sigma I? Sigma I, you can write it as Qi by A. So what is Qi equal to sigma I into A? So this will be sigma A into 1 minus 1 by epsilon r. There's an induced charge on the slab. And where do that induced charge will be here? So he's asking now, so this particular will produce a field E naught. So what is the force acting on the surface 2? Only on surface 2, not on a slab. So this F2 should be equal to how much it is? Qi into E naught. Qi is what? Sigma A 1 minus 1 by epsilon r into E naught. Now, what is E naught? E naught should be sigma by epsilon naught.
Sigma by 2 epsilon naught.
Oh, 2 epsilon naught, no? Only plate field produced by 1, no? E1, I'll write. That'll be better idea, only due to that. No need to think very big here. Be careful about some questions of this one.